we just finished making our own glass, which was super fun, and it kind of looks like this-ish, but definitely not as good. It was so much fun though, and I'll show you a clip after this about what the glass blowing and making looked like. But yeah, we're inside the little glass house right now. These are just different pieces from here, and also they have some pieces over here from Vietnam. Yes. To the glass house, and we got to make our own glass cups. They look like this. We're gonna pick it up later, but yeah, we were able to make, or I made two. Everybody else, I think they all made one. Kara made two too. But yeah, so we all got to make our own glass here. And so you can see it says glass house, and this is like a little game where you can win glass if you make the ping pong ball. Oh, I thought you got it. Oh. But yeah, this is our first stop right now, and then we're headed to the pineapple park, and then afterwards we're going to the Orion draft beer and like how to make it and everything place. So Molly, hey, what kind of ice cream did you get? Sweet potato. Yum. Okay. House thing. I don't know what this is called here. Look at this view. All you can eat buffet, and we're headed. Look at this.
Starts to shine, and I see it burn when you bring me sunlight. Is it all you need to feel this heat? To feel like everything's all that you dreamed? Is it all too much? Did you get enough? Does it set on fire all the things that you touch? And it fills me up, and it starts to shine, and I see it burn when you bring me sunlight. and it starts to shine, and I see it burn when you bring me sunlight. And it's all you need to feel this heat, to feel like everything's all that you dreamed. And is it all too much? Did you get enough? Does it set on fire?